Andre Russell is the new batsman. The skipper has come and gone very quickly. It's a good record. Andre Russell averages nice and high at just over 32. Strike rate of 121. After 27 matches, that's a very good career, or start to a career, particularly when you come in and lower down the order.
Times that very well and gets 4. Good, clean, powerful hit and a welcome boundary for the West Indies.
Missed his length, I would think. Ellis. Just like to see Russell keep his shape on some of those shots. It hit pretty much near the middle of the bat, but I thought he might have been going a little bit straighter.
He goes going straight now. But again, another full toss. Often said that it's better to be full than short. Favorite area for him. And there he goes, precisely in that area. Out towards square leg.
Here again, you're seeing a sample of the power almost taking out Des Himes, our mid-wicket cameraman. Good power bat speed generated by Russell.
Now he's doing some damage to that cricket ball. It's gone away. Well caught in the grass bank.
Pressure on Ellis, not able to execute the Yorker as he would have liked. It's turned into a high full toss and Russell dispatches it. Wasn't fortunate to get a wicket with it this time.
That's gone even further. It was a bit higher and he crashed it away. Tremendous shot. Poor bowling, yes, but you've got to have the ability to put it away. And he did so with real authority. Another full toss. Well saved. Brilliantly saved by McCullum.
But it's good teamwork, because had Long On just stopped and allowed McCullum to try to do the work himself, there would have been more runs to it. But Long On pulled out and allowed McCullum the opportunity to knock it back to him, Kane Williamson. So good teamwork.
He's on 49. And that's 50. That's a well-played half-century for Andre Russell, keeping the West Indies alive and keeping on strike for the final over. It's 2:31 for 9. 6 deliveries to go. Russell on strike. Over the top. Magnificent shot. 1 bounce 4.
That is the area that he has to target once he knows that most deliveries are going to come there. Stay in your shot a bit. And he has that range, Russell. He has a wide range of shots. That is excellent thinking and execution.
Miscued. Dropping short and going away for 4. 4 bit of work by Rob Nicol.
Andre Russell has given the West Indies a total to work with here. I mentioned before that New Zealand have averaged around 250 or a touch more in the last 2 innings they've played. But it's scoreboard pressure that makes a difference.